There are 3 steps. 3 steps you must do before you start your social media advertisement campaign. So, what are these 3 steps? 1. Research on your competitor. 2. Research on your target audience. 3. Come out with your buyer persona. Let's talk about 1. Research on your competitor. What do I mean by research on your competitor? Some people ask me, I know my competitor very well already, why I should research on them? No, I'm not talking about researching on your competitor business model. No, I'm talking about research on how your competitor do out their social media advertisement. How to do that? First, you go to their social media, their Facebook page. Second, you look at the right hand side corner, you will see this thing called page transparency. Then after you click on the page transparency, you can see the kind of social media advertisement they done before. Then people ask me, what if my competitor never do Facebook ad? How? Then find other competitor lah. Number 2, research on your target audience. How you research on your target audience? You look for reviews. Where can you find reviews? You can find from Google reviews of your competitor. You can search for Facebook reviews of your competitors. So you look at 10 different competitors. Then you find 5 good reviews on your competitors and also find 5 bad reviews on your competitors. So take for example, in this case, on hand you got around 100 reviews. So from these 100 reviews, you find the 5 common good reviews. Therefore, bad reviews, you look for the 5 common bad reviews. Why are you doing this thing? You are doing this thing is because from the 5 good reviews, you will start to realize what your target audience they really want. From these 5 bad reviews, you realize what your target audience don't like and what are the pain they are facing. Then you can draft a better marketing pitch. Number 3, do out your buyer persona. What is buyer persona? Buyer persona, also known as avatar. If you watch some of my previous social media video, you realize that I keep on repeating this word called buyer persona. Repeating this word called avatar. It means the fictional character that best represent your most potential customer. Why do we need to do this? When we do this, you start to realize what kind of things that our potential customer may like or don't like. Because end of the day, buyer persona, we always talk about DOGE. What do we mean by DOGE? We talk about demographic, we talk about occupation, we talk about goals, and we talk about emotions. So buyer persona is a fictional character, that means don't exist one. You do this buyer persona so that you have a person in mind that you can target this message towards. In summary, just now I shared with you all 3 steps. The 3 steps is number 1, study your competitor. Number 2, study your target audience. 3, do out your buyer persona or avatar. With these 3 steps, now you can start to run your social media advertisement to target your right audience and start to generate leads for your business. Now, if you want to master the art of social media advertising, I have a free gift for you worth USD47. This is my ultimate social media footprint. You can click the link below to claim your free gift. By the way, or on the way If you find that this video is useful to you, you can like, share and comment. So I see you at the next video.